There are countless reasons to love apple. But another often overlooked reason to love apples is the benefits it provides for your skin and hair. Apples boost your levels of vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, which helps your body produce collagen. Apples also contain a slew of other nutrients such as copper, a melanin, containing mineral that arms your skin against UV rays, and vitamin A, which plays a role in the overall functioning of your skin. If you don't feel like chomping down on an apple, a great way to score the beauty benefits of the fruit is by incorporating apple cider vinegar into your skincare regimen. This all-natural, all-purpose staple has been used for all sorts of things, from kitchen solutions to health remedies. 1. Soothe and exfoliate skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of apple cider vinegar soothe skin, and the acetic acid softens skin. It contains alpha-hydroxy acids that chemically exfoliate to remove dead skin buildup and reveal healthy new skin cells. It's always a wise idea to use apple cider vinegar with water, as concentrated apple cider vinegar may disrupt the skin barrier, leading to skin inflammation. Soak for anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes to allow the protective acid to soak into your skin. This will help balance the pH levels of your skin, preventing it from becoming too oily or too dry. 2. Act as a facial toner. ACV is a natural acne fighter. It's a potent antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral substance capable of keeping bacteria at bay and pimples from forming. It removes oils and helps balance skin pH, keeping your skin from becoming too oily or too dry. Apply ACV using a cotton ball over clean, dry skin, no need to rinse it off. 3. Neutralize odors. The acids in the apple cider vinegar will alter the pH level of your skin, which fights off bacteria and neutralizes odors. Believe it or not, thanks to its antiseptic properties, it can even stave off the stench of smelly feet and has also been known to help with athlete's foot. To use, mix 1/4 the amount of apple cider vinegar in with 3/4 the amount of water and let your feet soak. 4. Protection against dandruff and hair loss. You can also use apple cider vinegar on your hair. In fact, it comes in handy when fighting dandruff. Dandruff is essentially your body's inflammatory response to high levels of yeast that may grow on your scalp. Apple cider vinegar helps lower the amount of yeast growing on your scalp, which, in turn, helps protect against dandruff. It gently cleanses the scalp and maintains the pH balance of the hair, thereby accelerating hair growth. Mix together an equal part solution of apple cider vinegar and water and apply to your hair and scalp before you shampoo. If you'd rather not deal with the intense stench of using it solo, you can also add some to your shampoo bottle, which should mask the smell entirely. 5. Act as hair treatment. If you have used a lot of oils and serums in the past month on your hair, and it is heavy and dank, look no further than cider vinegar to strip that product off. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar will balance the hair's pH levels, stimulate the scalp, and strip off product buildup that will help you get shiny, lustrous locks. Rinse thoroughly and follow with a light conditioner. Dilute 1/3 cup apple cider vinegar with 4 cups of water. Massage onto your hair after shampoo and leave for 10 minutes with a shower cap on. Rinse out with cold water for extra shiny locks. 6. Whiten teeth. Beyond banishing bad breath, apple cider vinegar can also help remove stains and whiten teeth. That said, because it's acidic, it needs to be properly diluted and used sparingly, otherwise you run the risk of damaging enamel. The proper proportions: 1 part apple cider vinegar to 2 parts water. Gargle for about 60 seconds, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water, and wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. 7. Easing psoriasis. Drinking some apple cider vinegar every day might make you want to hurl, but it will also be very beneficial to your health, so you might want to just grin and bear it. Skin health is one of the first things that could improve, from brightening your looks to easing the pain of your psoriasis. Mix a tablespoon with water and knock it back in 1. 8. Sunburn relief. Since apple cider vinegar restores your skin's pH levels, it works quickly to reverse some of the damage caused by overexposure to the sun's harmful rays. Mix together a half cup of ACV and 4 cups water. Douse a washcloth with the solution and apply to sunburned skin to make the most of its anti-inflammatory properties.